What's up, guys? It's Tony here, and as you can see, it's snowing outside like crazy. It's a blizzard. Let me show you. Look at that. It's actually a blizzard. It's so, the snow is like wham. So it's like, oh my god. I don't know why, but just look out. Oh my god. The flowers are white now. And they look like candy. White cotton candy. So weird. But yeah, so you can see all the snow outside. If you live like near me, like Andrew does in Fair Oaks, it's snowing like crazy. Look. It's not even sunny. It's all the snow that makes it so bright. It covered my window like crazy. So, I would be going outside right now because I like to play with the snow and stuff. But when it gets too cold, I'll go inside because it's like freezing outside today. I went outside today and it was like freezing. It was like -4 degrees. I don't know why, but I stayed out there for 1 hour and just helped and stuff. So yeah. And make sure to leave a comment down below what should I do next, and punch that like button in the face and subscribe to my channel, and peace out.